Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Kadena video update for Monday 18th of July. And Kadena is ready to pull the trigger, and I think it's amazing time for Kadena to start its move finally to the upside. And we're looking for, or we are talking for a technical target that is coming very soon. And this is the breakout that actually happened for Kadena right here. So it actually moved very severely to the upside, but this time I highly doubt Kadena is actually going to dump, and it's absolutely because of thanks to Bitcoin looking to actually move to $24,000. So what I'm going to say is that this isn't your next technical target for Kadena. So from there to there, we're looking for Kadena to actually move high to this price level. If this is your entry somewhere here, then you're looking for a 26% move to the upside, and this is going to take you up to $2.3 in my opinion, and that would be an amazing trade, right? Isn't it? But right now it should pass the retest. It pretty much just came to the resistance line, so if it actually passes the retest here, which I'm afraid it's not really passing the retest, but it's about to, I highly expect this one to break out and start to move higher to that price level that I'm talking about right here. I just want to go into the 1 hour time frame and see if on the 1 hourly we do have any sort of candlestick that is printing out good. So yeah, we don't really have any clue at the moment, but it's actually just at the resistance at the moment, so it's a little bit risky to trade. But if you want to go and take the risk, the reward is really amazing to the upside. And that's it for today's Kadena video update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.